In this video, I'll be showing you how to create a QR code in Canva. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, this is really useful because let's say you're creating an image, a video, or a presentation on Canva, but you want a QR code that is scannable within your application because maybe you're sharing a social media, anything like that. So all you want to do is firstly get your link for whatever website or anything that you want to share through that QR code. So I'm just going to select Google just as an example. Then go over to apps, and then we're going to search Canva apps. So we're going to type in QR code, and we're going to see a bunch of them. We can just choose the default QR code one, and then we're just going to go ahead and open this up. Now all we're going to do is add our URL, and then we're just going to generate the code. And as you can see, the QR code is instantly there. It's that simple. There's nothing else to it. And of course, you can change the URL to anything you want, any web page, anything like that. And it's going to instantly go over to that when anyone clicks on this. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.